Surprise, motherfucker!
That's the best thing ever, dude.
Fucking.
Do you even lift?
Fucking.
Do you even lift?
The fate of the mission is on you.
2 hours later. 3 weeks later. Many months later. 2,000 years later. 1 eternity later.
Oh, he did it. He ninja defused me. He ninja defused me.
That's right!
Oh my god! He fucking killed the person behind you, you blind bastard!
Awesome. That's awesome.
Fucking screaming.
Look at this, look at this. Neither of them do it. I knew he died, that's why I was like, what the fuck? Did they
You're a
really kill
fucking
him?
retard.
Destroy.
Oh my god.
Tell me what I gotta do to ninja. Quit killing people. You got it. Come on, Vanoss. Yes! Good shit! Christmas news, that's a ninja defuse right there. Remember that, bitch.
Search and destroy.
Is that H2O?
Dude, that was such an awkward reaction.
Shut up.
I was shooting at him, you idiot. I was shooting right at you, Vano. Look at me, look at me.
I don't think so!
Stay in your AO.
Hey, what happened?
Yeah, cause I got it like that. Flow so smooth like I got it on tap. Yeah, and I'ma say it be a good night while I'm on my Yingling, while I'm drinking.